We are on the floor today. It's all about glute and core integration. The movements are going to feel a little bit more focused on the core itself and definitely some isolation here. I'm going heavier because the movements aren't going to be super fast. So feel free to up your weight here today. I think you're going to love this workout. Let's get started. All right, we're going to start on our back with a half roll up. Now you have an option to use a weight for this, or you can omit the weight completely and you can just work with your own body. So I'm going to use a 20. Let's get on our back. Weights at the chest. Knees are bent or legs are fully extended. You can choose. Here we go. So I can either roll up just part way and then back down again, or I can roll up all the way and then slowly work it back down. I can have my legs extended, roll up, and then down with control. If you want to add just a little bit extra push here, weight can come up overhead. So where am I not flailing body parts, my legs not flying up off the floor? Just because you can get yourself up off the floor, if those legs are coming up, I want you to pull it back until your body is in full control. 10 counts. Especially on that downswing. Tuck the tailbone and round the back and roll it down. All right, we're back on the floor again. Drop your weight. This is a little variation of an oblique crunch, sometimes called crisscross or cross crawl. Hands behind the head. Body comes up. And I'm going to turn to one side, hold it there, extend the leg, bring it back in. Center, cross crawl, freeze. Extend the leg you're turning towards, back to center. Twist, extend. Twist, extend. Twist, extend. Twist, extend. Keep breathing. I want you moving at the lower ribs and keeping the elbows wide. So a lot of times those elbows try to come in and you think, oh, I'm twisting farther. No, you're not. You're just squeezing your head. Back to center. Nice work. Knees into the chest. All right, let's get up here. We're moving on to our knees. And we're going to come into a kneeling position. Same arm, same leg. Tricep pullback with an optional leg extension. So my leg is here. I'm going to pull down, leg lift. Pull down, leg lift. Really asking a lot of my oblique. Holy cats. Keeping the toes and knee pushed down. I'm not peeling my hip open on that leg extension. My whole, what would be my left side of the body, is just on fire. 15 counts. You got this. All right, last one. Whew, good job. All right, we're going to go to the opposite side. Feel free to pad the knees, get rid of the knee movement altogether, or get rid of the weight altogether if you'd rather just do the leg. I'm going to move that guy back. Here we go, shoulders back, pressing away from the floor. I'm going to pull up and then lift up. It's interesting because you're doing the same side, how your body is just like, I don't like this, because you're used to a counterweight or a counterbalance, and now you're using the same leg and the same arm. So it's going to definitely feel a little bit different. Remember, we're controlling the down drop. So I'm not just plummeting that weight to the floor. Almost think about freezing it halfway down. That's how much control I want for you. Keep pressing away from the floor, no saggy head. Nice work. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're doing great. Last one here is a bridge leg lift. We're going to use both weights here for the chest press. I'm going heavier. You do not have to go heavier. Totally up to you. Elbows wide. Feet are under the hips. Press the glutes up. And as we're going to press the weights up and then down, leg lift, leg lift. Keep the hips lifted. Press it up, down, leg lift, leg lift. The tendency is to drop the booty. Really think about tucking the tailbone. And if I'm lifting my right leg, I'm really pushing hard into my left leg so that that hip doesn't roll down. You should feel the glutes very much isolated here. Push into the heels. Stay with me. Whew, let's finish out this one though. Don't give up. Ah, all right, nice work. Nice job. I hope you liked this series as much as I did. I'll see you next time.